What's going on, everyone? Gilman with Wellthy Stocks, back with another Tesla update video, ticker symbol TSLA, where we take a look at how Tesla stock traded today, key support and resistance levels that we are looking at moving into the future, and based on that, what we think Tesla stock could do. So real quick, if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on Tesla are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. So let me hit record and we will get right into it. So, yesterday's video we made about, how Tesla was dropping all the way to the low 600s level and then pushed up to close near the 700s level. And we talked about, hey, it's really important for us to kind of take over that 700 level to be able to go deeper into some of these levels. So we'll take a look at how it traded today, then we'll talk about future levels of support and resistance. But before we do that, I want to really quickly cover this, and that is that ARK Invest's Cathie Woods, her biggest holding is Tesla. Matter of fact, 9.1% of her ETF is Tesla, and so yesterday she came out and bought another $120 million worth of Tesla. That's after buying something similar to this on Monday. So that's about $250 million over 2 days that she bought Tesla, which could be the reason that a lot of this, started to turn around. But just something to keep in mind that she did buy a ton of Tesla. And the other reason is that, the indexes were green today, and we were told by the Fed's Powell that, inflation, which a lot of investors are worrying about, maybe not as bad as we're anticipating it to be, which also could be another reason why we rallied today. So comparing it to the indexes, right, the NASDAQ was up about a little less than 1%. The Dow Jones was up 414 points, 1.3%, and the S&P was up 1.1%. So compared to all that, Tesla actually did really well today. We were talking about a $43 increase and up almost 6%. We're down about $5 after hours. As you guys probably already know, the GameStop and AMC stocks are taking off. So hopefully they don't mess with the market too much, but we'll see as time comes tomorrow. Now, let's take a look at the daily chart and we'll see what we see here. So let me get rid of the indicator for us. And yesterday we closed, remember, right at this kind of 699, pushing into 700s as we got to the close. And then this morning we were above this level in the 717s that we had, pushed up, bounced, got rejected at the 733 level, came right back down. And then it was a bit choppy to begin, right? We pushed up, couldn't quite sustain the 717, came down, pushed up again, rejected, dropped all the way pretty close to our 694.78 level, as you guys see. Bounced at 694.17, then we pushed up, bounced off VWAP, broke into 717, got rejected by our 732 level here, briefly broke above it, came right back down, and then we got rejected here. Let me zoom out just a little bit, got rejected right there, came down, pushed up, came down, and then pushed up, rallied into the close, closing at 745. And then we've been kind of selling off in the after hours, bouncing off of this 732 level. So not a bad trading day for Tesla. As you can see, nice rally here taking us from 709 to 735. Nice rally here taking us from 724 to 745. In both cases, we were above VWAP, and here we bounced off VWAP for that run, but here we were already above VWAP, and we just, increase the gap between that. So great trading day for Tesla, 6% day, down a little in the after hours, but we'll see how that is. So now zoom in, taking a look at what we could do moving forward. So let's talk about future levels of support, future levels of resistance, and then what I think we could see going into tomorrow and Friday. So first level of resistance that we have coming up is this $749 level. That's, I think, kind of the first point that we have to look at. Remember that we are down a little bit after hours, so we're not really here, we're more down here in the 737 mid-30s. So 749 is our first level, and then 775, and then 800, and then on the downside, what we have is the 732 level, the 717 level, and then the 700 and 694 level that we have. So those are the levels that we are looking at. As you can see today, we got perfectly rejected by the 55 EMA. Our closing today was at 742.02. 55 EMA is at 742.12. So we got rejected by that, and I've talked about this in some of my previous videos. I think it's really important for us to overtake this 55 EMA in the 742s or, you know, we have run room down to the 89 EMA as we've seen us visiting yesterday. So let's take a look at what I think the Tesla stock will do tomorrow. Personally, right, so we are a little bit down after hours. What I'm hoping for is a bounce off of the 732, or if we keep going, you know, max down to the 717, kind of like we did today, right? We bounced all the way down to the 690s, and then I'm hoping for a push up to the 750 level. And we either hit up against it and get rejected and close somewhere in the 740s, or we break above it and close in the 750s. But that's what my hope is tomorrow. But again, it's all contingent on what goes on with the AMC and GameStop stuff. As you know, we've seen it taken off. I think all of them are rallying right now. With the second half of the day, yeah, so AMC is up 18%, another 10% in the after hours. GameStop is up another 52% in the after hours. So that has a potential to maybe, you know, mess the markets up like it did the last time this happened, but we'll see. Again, a nice green day for Tesla. I'm hoping for a little bit of a continuation. So hoping for a bounce off of this 730s level and a push up towards the 749 level of resistance. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, you know, make sure that you're sticking to your trading plan. Hope you guys are having an okay trading week so far. I know I've had 2 red days and with followed by a little bit of a green day today. So hope you guys are all having an okay start to your week. Hopefully able to recover some of this losses. Remember that, you know, these levels that we look at are levels of support, levels of resistance. It could hold up, it can not hold up, but you know, typically we do see somewhat of a resistance or somewhat of a support depending on what we have drawn up here. So hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what your thoughts on Tesla are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.